So what, girl? Me there, no girl. I try keep safe in this crisis here. No, Stacey, I'm a friend, but me gonna be honest with you. You look pop down. How you look so? Girl, actually, you not even know. Right now, me can't help my head from look so. You know, see, the whole I salon them locked down. The whole of the nail tech, my nails them. Nail tech, salon, me can't do my brow, me can't do nothing. Everywhere locked down, my love. You know, see, a ghost town we live in now. You at me? Nah, lie. Sorry for your master. That's why me try help myself. And me try look natural all the time, cause if you manage the salon business here and everywhere locked down for chew it rough. Me love it rough bad. And the biggest drama, you know, Tash. Mike no used to see me them way, you know. My always on fleek, you know, girl. My always pants up with me things, them, you know, my ear, my nails, everything on fleek, you know. Right now, I must out there look past somebody else. Right now, me don't know. Me don't know if you even go want me again. Look on my head. Not even, me know me look good in my face, you know. My face look good and thing. But come my head. How me I gonna manage today? One of him still ever like me. Oh boy. Hurry yourself, man. If the man love you, are you in love? So nobody think say you have to go look good or something. You have to look good to please him, yes, but are you in love? Not if you club yourself for one so. I say Natasha, me know see some girl out there, they look good and they go look pan them same way. Me know, you know, me know. A world crisis, you know. Stacey, a world crisis. You have to look funny. It's a world thing, me dear. But you know, Tash, one thing me I say, one thing me I look into. Me want if you look into it with me. Yeah man, me I look into it. Where I say? Look how China is a place where we know we make everything fake. Everything fake up at them place there, you know, everything. And the one real something they make. The one real something they make up there. Shut down the entire world. Look here, man. You better China continue with their fakeness. We will live with that. The one real something they come with. We can't live with that. We can't live with your talk. You think I Jew?